How's it going? We're working on the Buick. I'm finishing up the back of the exhaust. And I'm just TIG welding this stuff. Just figured I'd show something a little bit. I'm definitely not a professional TIG welder, but I can find my way around. And I gotta wear my close-up opticals because I'm getting old. Here, see? Better close up here. Show them how nice it looks when you can just fuse it, see? Turn this around a bit. There you have it, see? Close up. Close up. See? Looks nice. That's how it should look, but when you're trying to fit this crap on the car and trying to cut it and fit it on the car, you can't always have your gaps 100%. Especially when you got the bottom of the car and you can't get to the top side. Okay, now I gotta get this turned around again here. The things I do. The things I do. Whoa. This way, put that right there. All right. Now this is in my way here. Typical, hey? Yeah, this one's going to be a problem here. I think I need to turn this the other way. Let's have a look-see here. This way. Let's turn it this way. Like that. There we go. Just like that. All right, let's see what kind of mess I can make here. Oh. You got it? Mm-hmm. I might be able to fuse this one too. Let's see. Let's have a look. Getting a little bit wide over here. Oh yeah. What a machine, eh? I'm fully automated. There you go, see? Looks good. What do you think? Is that good enough? I'm hired. All right, I think that's it. We're going to run out of space. So we'll give you guys another video when it's on the car. See you later. What's happening? Bruno here from Bruno's Classic Car Garage. I'm back here with the exhaust. I got these pipes, tailpipes kind of done here. And now I gotta kind of figure out how to make this work on the end here. So I'm just, because I had some other hangers here that were kind of, I can't understand. They must have been a Chinese design or something. Let's see, where I got them here. Where are they? Right here. these things. And I can't seem to get these to work for my life. They must be for a different style or a different model or a different year or something, because they don't work on this car, that's for sure. So, I guess I got to come up with a different plan. So I'm going to use these here. And I think I'm just going to put them right here, either way, off to the side here. And then I can tack this to the side of the pipe, but I'm going to add I'm going to put a little, an adapter here so I can just weld it to here, and then I'm going to build a little tailpiece with the downturn right here on the end. That'll just kind of slide into here, and then I'm going to have this in here, and this is going to be welded onto that little end piece here. So I hear a little bit better view here, I guess. So now I got to go pick up some more material here to get this done. Also, I need some clamps because it's just a little too loose here. I got to get this tight. So when I get to the end here, everything is going to be in the same position. Alright, so that's about it. I got everything else done. Brakes are bled. Everything's ready to start, but I'm going to finish up the exhaust here. I don't want to be grinding and welding and stuff around the gas tank when there's gas in it. So I'm just going to get this buttoned up here first. And then she's ready to go. So that is about it. And then we got Chelsea here getting those little adapters here ready. Cleaning those up so I can put these and get those welded on here.